Hello, dear lovers of green garden salad. That's what the name's all about. It's definitely trending on social platforms right now. And it's not undeserved since it tastes amazing and is versatile. And it's also really easy to prepare. For this, we'll need a good olive oil. I even use one with truffle flavor, but that's optional, I just had it on hand. We need light vinegar. I'll use white wine vinegar along with pepper and salt. Juice from 2 lemons, a shallot, and 2 cloves of garlic. Additionally, we need nutritional yeast. Alternatively, you could use grated cheese depending on your diet. We'll need walnuts, cashews, or peanuts, and optionally an avocado. This adds plenty of healthy fats and makes everything creamier. Up to this point, these were all ingredients for the dressing and salad base itself. For the salad, we need iceberg lettuce or alternatively white cabbage, a cucumber, and 2 spring onions. Since the salad itself can be enjoyed as a kind of dip, you can also serve it with chips of your choice. And if you want to top the salad, perhaps consider some mozzarella or burrata. Let's begin with a few preparatory steps like juicing the lemons. Carefully peel and roughly chop the garlic cloves, then do the same with the shallot. Remaining are optional items like the avocado, if we decide to use it. First, we'll need to remove the avocado flesh from its peel. Slice the avocado all around with a knife until you reach the pit. Then twist one half off and remove the pit. Sometimes it's a bit stubborn, and if that's the case, simply use a corkscrew, twist it in briefly, and extract the pit. By the way, don't discard the pit, it's also healthy. You could dry it, grate it, and mix it into your muesli, or place it in water, let it sprout, and grow an avocado plant. Then slide a spoon along the flesh inside the avocado peel. Guide the spoon around the avocado half, and thus scoop out the flesh. Repeat with the other half, and then roughly chop the avocado flesh. So let's get started with preparing the dressing. We add all the ingredients into either a blender, or as I do, into a versatile smaller device. Walnuts and cashews or peanuts are also added in. Likewise, the minced garlic, cloves, and chopped onion. The nutritional yeast is sprinkled in. Then we season everything generously with pepper, along with salt. We pour in the oil, as well as the vinegar. We add the lemon juice to the mix. Only after that, include the avocado chunks, cover it up, and allow the machine to perform its functional transformative operation. Blend everything finely until we achieve a creamy dressing. Now let's first take care of the salad base. This means the lettuce is cut into small strips. The cucumber is finely diced, and the spring onions are sliced into very thin rings. Now, we will place the fresh vegetables into a bowl, the crisp lettuce, diced cucumber pieces, and thin onion rings. Subsequently, everything is mixed thoroughly. Using salad servers is likely best. And then we pour the previously prepared creamy dressing over it. Make sure to scrape out all of it, of course. Now, mix everything together thoroughly once again, preferably using the salad servers. And with that, the green garden salad is ready. As I already mentioned, you can enjoy it as a dip. And of course, chips are a suitable choice for this. These delicious hummus chips are great, but corn or sweet potato chips work as well. Choose according to your preference. You can also simply enjoy the salad as a bread topping. It's undeniably very healthy and truly tastes fantastic. Definitely give it a try, have a great time preparing it, and enjoy your meal. Until next time, bye, see you.